So today in this video guys, I'm actually going to show you some very interesting scenario unfolding right now for Bitcoin price action in a daily time frame, because in a daily time frame the price did got a perfect bounce out of this monthly S1 line from this April month. Not only that, the price here has also now broken this lower highs lower lows continuation pattern, and in a weekly time frame the price is also above this 20 weighted moving average, a very important line to hold. Not just only Bitcoin guys, later in this video we are also going to talk about Ethereum price action as well. So please watch this video till the end. And also guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Starting here in the daily time frame, you can see the price of Bitcoin was unable to reach this monthly R1 target level here to the top. We came almost there but were unable to touch, and we saw this price pullback. This price pullback ended exactly after reaching the monthly S1 line, which was at 48,631, and now you can see which line is acting as a resistance. This bottom CPR line, and this bottom CPR line is around 53,400 price level. If we are going to break out of it and move forward guys, the next possible target according to the CPR line is going to be 55,200 and also this 57,000 price level. This 57,000 is one very important level to break. So why this 57 to 58,000 is so important for Bitcoin is because breaking this 57 to 58,000 price level and finding support above that could invalidate all the bearish scenarios for Bitcoin. So right now our focus is going to be around this 57 to 58,000 price level if the trend is going to continue in upper direction, because yesterday I talked about this one very important scenario for Bitcoin in a weekly time frame. I showed you with each and every price pullback from 2019, 2017, even from 2013, the price always made this kind of movement. I mean a pullback, a relief rally, and actual trend reversal. So right now, if this was the pullback from 64,000, 65,000 all the way here towards this 46, 47,000 price level, from this swing high till this swing low, should actually see a bounce at least around this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So maybe we might be getting gravitated towards this 58,000 in the upcoming days. So if we are also able to find support above it, then the price is going to continue and start making new all-time high. But any sort of a rejection, failing to break out of it, then we have to be careful, because that here led to a very massive price correction also here in 2017 and also from 2013. So guys, right now what I'm actually expecting in a weekly time frame, the price of Bitcoin slowly to see bounce around this 0.618 price level, which is around 58,000 and also 57,000 from this top CPR line. And also I said you, if the price wants to continue in upper duration, we have to find support above this 20 weighted moving average, this green line. And now since the price of Bitcoin right now is also above this green line, which is the 20 weighted moving average, that is sitting around 51,100 price level, this is also flashing the price of Bitcoin has gained some strength and could also see some potential upward price movement. So our focus in a weekly time frame is going to be around this 0.618, and in a daily time frame the top CPR line, which is sitting around 57,000 price level. And now let's have a quick look at this in a smaller time frame, because in a smaller time frame yesterday I showed you guys this here was a very nice rising wedge type of scenario, and since the price has clearly failed to find support at the low volume area, we could see a downward price movement, and this downward price movement here was forming this lower highs lower lows continuation pattern. I also showed you with this descending channel. With each and every descending channel, you can see lower highs lower lows continuation pattern, unable to find support at the lower line area, had a massive price pullback. Again, lower highs lower lows continuation pattern guys. We did manage to make higher lows, but price after that still made lower highs and lower lows. But this here was more like a fake out, and now the price here is clearly indicating, hey, this is a new high for now, right, in a 4 of time. So if we are able to also now manage this price movement in this manner, that should be absolutely fine, because we are going to make another higher highs higher lows continuation pattern, which is also going to indicate, hey, now the trend here could be heading in an upward direction. So as you can see guys, right now looking at the price action of Bitcoin, even if we are going to see a pullback here in a 4 hour time frame, right, you will see the price should at least hold this previous low. So if that's going to happen, then we could maybe continue this higher lows, higher highs continuation pattern. That's a very, very bullish scenario. And also in a weekly time frame, we are expecting price to at least test this 0.618, which is around 58,100, before choosing an actual trend direction. So according to this monthly CPR, our resistance right now is around 53,400 price level. So this bottom line is acting as a resistance. You can see here exactly there, which also acted as a support, is now acting as a resistance. So if we are able to break out of it today, guys, then the next possible target is going to be around this 55,000 and also this 57,000 price level. So now let's switch into Ethereum price action. And also, guys, let me make you aware, BYBIT right now is providing around $1,610 deposit bash bonus, and this one is for limited time only. The only thing you have to do is sign up using my ref link down below. The sign up process would take you only 2 or 3 minutes of your time, and if you already have a BYBIT account and you want to claim this bonus one more time, then you have to create a new email address and follow this process one by one. Let me show you very quickly. After signing up, just go to promotion and click on the latest promotion, $1,610 reward up for grabs. Click on this. Here's how you can claim your bonus: $1,010 bonus for new users in the deposit bonus bash page, up to $100 in reward hub, and 500 worth of bonus are available in the referral program. Click on this deposit bonus bash. This page should appear after that. Scroll downside, then you will see the reward table, how you can claim your bonuses, the rules and terms, and just click on join now. That's it, guys. And now let's jump into our chart. So if we are aware, guys, we have already talked about this price structure of Ether in a daily time frame. I showed you with many different examples: double bottom, symmetrical triangle, ascending, broadening wedge. And right now, if you look at this price structure, you can see the double bottom scenario played out perfectly, symmetrical triangle played out perfectly, and now the only one scenario left to play out is this ascending, broadening wedge. And according to this ascending, broadening wedge, our price target here to the upside is around 2,900 to 3,000 price level. If you look at this price structure, you will see this here also looks like a very nice double bottom type of scenario. So since the price of Ether has now broken out of this neckline area, if we switch this into 4-hour time frame, maybe we can see it properly here. This price movement is actually also flashing us that, hey, even if we are going to see any sort of a rejection and pullback again to retest this neckline area, that should also be absolutely normal. But in most of the cases, after retesting, you know what happened to the price action, it has seen some impulsive move. So that's why in an upcoming days, I'm very, very bullish on Ethereum. And those who have been following me, they also know we were always bullish on Ethereum along with Bitcoin. So now let's also look at this in a bit different way. So if you look at this here in a bit different way, you can see, guys, in a daily time frame, the price of Ethereum also looks like it is following this rising channel. And this here is a very, very interesting scenario, because right now where we could be getting gravitated is this top of this channel, and this top of the channel is going to be a very, very important line to break if the price of Ether wants to go completely parabolic. Because right now, with the previous example I just showed you, we might be forming this double bottom type of scenario here. And not only double bottom, but if you take trend line here from this area, you can see again this 1, 2, 3 reversal scenario. So right now, even if we are going to see any sort of a pullback, we are aware that could be a retest of this neckline and again see a bounce, which could bring us above this upper line area. And this target here, according to this double bottom at this current stage, guys, is going to be from this neckline till bottom area. So I'm just going to take a realistic price target level. So in that case, you can see our price target here could be another new all-time high. I mean 2,680, 2,690 could be on the line if this double bottom scenario is going to play out. And if that actually plays out, guys, then this is going to turn the price very, very parabolic, because then we are also going to be above this upper line area of this ascending channel, because you know the upper line here has always rejected the price plenty of times. So this is going to be very, very bullish if the price of Ether does manage to break out of it, find support, and start moving in an upper direction. Because I said you 2,900 to 3,000 is our upward price target according to this ascending broadening wedge. You can see according to this ascending broadening wedge, our price target is measured from this point B till this point E area, right? And the same length is going to be the target level here to the upside. So in that case, from this point E to the upside is going to be this 2,900 to 3,000 price level here to the upper direction. So for us right now, the strongest support is going to be the neckline, which is around 2,400 2400 to 2420 price level. So let's see how this one is going to play out. And if you enjoyed my work, guys, then please hit that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.